Hello, hi. Not that hi. English hi. So I'm Ipsa and we're doing some organic chemistry. We've done one episode where we tried to differentiate between aldehydes and ketones. उनको देखने में क्या फ़र्क होता है, उनके फॉर्मूलाज में क्या फ़र्क होता है, उनके नाम में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. Today again we are taking two more functional groups, carboxylic acids and alcohols. They have certain similarities and some differences in a lot of manner. ठीक है, तो उन दोनों को कैसे पहचानना है, कैसे वो अलग अलग है, that's what we are doing, very basic ones. Okay, so let's start both of them together. अलग अलग तो मैंने लिखा ही है. So the alcohols, इनका कोई भी नाम होता है ना, it ends in ol, alcohol. Okay, we call it alcohol, but it is alcohol. So remember the name ends in ol, as in ethanol, propanol, it will always end in ol. I'll give an example like ethanol. जो भी number of carbon atoms उसके हिसाब से ol in the ending. While in carboxylic acid, the name ends in oic acid as methanoic acid or propanoic acid or anything, butanoic acid. So here the name, उसमें suffix आ जाता है which is oic acid. तो अगर नाम दिया है तो आप सीधा ही पता कर सकते हो कि अल्कोहल है कि carboxylic acid है. Okay, so name makes it very clear कि क्या कंपाउंड है, कौन से फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. सेकेंड है कि उसका फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ हो एंड उसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप अलग से दिख रहा हो. हमको दिख रहा हो मतलब इसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है, पर इसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है OH, जैसे हाइड्रोक्सिल. OH is like, it's hydroxyl, not hydroxide. This is called hydroxyl. Inorganic में हम इसको हाइड्रोक्साइड कहते हैं, मगर इनऑर्गेनिक वी कॉल इट हाइड्रोक्सिल. तो इसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप OH है, हाइड्रोक्सिल, विच मीन्स व्हाट, कि कोई भी कंपाउंड होगा, नहीं कोई भी कंपाउंड नहीं होगा, जिस कंपाउंड में OH प्रेजेंट होगा, द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दैट कंपाउंड कौन कंट्रोल करेगा? OH will control the properties of that compound. That's why it's called functional group. तो अगर किसी कंपाउंड में आपको OH नज़र आ रहा है, बीच में, साइड में, कहीं पे भी, then it is an alcohol. Suppose you are given a formula like this. Now you can very clearly see an OH here, which is nothing but a functional group. और कौन सा वाला? अल्कोहल वाला. ठीक है, so you can also write it as ROH. R क्या है? Alkyl group and OH is the functional group, hydroxyl group. So you can see the alkyl group and the functional group separately. And OH will determine the properties of the entire compound. Now let's come here. What is the functional group here? Here the functional group is COOH and a single valency lying here. Here also there was a single valency from O. Here also there is a single valency but from C. Now again the same thing. अगर आपको कहीं पे किसी फॉर्मूला में you see COOH, then it will be an acid. So suppose I do R and COOH, ऐसे कुछ लिखा हो, या CH3COOH, any R, C4, C5, किसी भी नंबर का अल्काइल ग्रुप और उसके आगे COOH लिखा हो, then it is carboxylic acid. Okay, we've done the naming, oic acid, and we've done how it looks like. This will be the alkyl group and this will be the functional group. This will determine the properties of all the carboxylic acids. Now let's see what is the structure of hydroxyl group. Let's see the structure. In deep structure of hydroxyl group is R will remain R only. This has one valency because oxygen is joined one here and one there to the alkyl group, and hydrogen only has one valency. So that's how the simple structure of alcohol is. Oxygen has two valencies which get satisfied and you get an alcohol. Here the structure is slightly complicated. Not complicated really. It has a carbonyl group. It's a mixture of carbonyl group and alcoholic group. Now what does that mean? Carbonyl group क्या होता है? एल्डिहाइड कीटोन में हमने किया था. Carbonyl group is like CO, double bond O. This is the carbonyl group. Now if on we have carbonyl group also and we have hydroxyl group also, then it is an acid on the same carbon atom. R, ये कार्बन आ गया, इसी के ऊपर हम, ये कार्बन हो गया, इसी को हम we'll make it a carbonyl group. Is this carbonyl group? Yes, C double bond O. And इसी के ऊपर we'll make hydroxyl group. Okay, C double bond O, C OH. So this is hydroxyl and this is kind of carbonyl and this is hydroxyl, and this together, if I keep the R little far, this together is called carboxylic group. So one carbonyl structure and one hydroxyl structure, when put on the same carbon atom, that's what is carboxylic group. Okay, so these are the basics. Here I hope you understand how the valencies are getting satisfied. Oxygen has two valency which it satisfies through carbon. Here also oxygen has two valencies. One gets satisfied by carbon and one from hydrogen. So that's how this is stable. Now, what about their molecular formula? That is the most important, I can't say, but most tricky part of any functional group. मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला में क्या करते हैं, सारे कार्बन्स को एक साथ लिखते हैं, सारे हाइड्रोजन्स को एक साथ लिखते हैं एंड सो ऑन, सारे ऑक्सीजन्स को एक साथ लिखते हैं एंड सो ऑन, लाइक C1, H2, O5, all the carbon atoms put together, all the hydrogen atoms put together, and then whatever you get is called molecular formula. Okay, now for alcohols, the molecular formula is अब ये तो अल्कोहल लग ही नहीं रहा है ना, क्योंकि हमें कहीं OH तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है, तो हाउ कैन वी से इट इज़ एन अल्कोहल. हमें तो OH पहचानना आता है, इसमें तो OH नहीं दिख रहा है. सो लेट्स ट्राई एंड पुट सम वैल्यूज एंड देन सी वो OH फॉर्म में आ पाएगा कि नहीं. This is the formula for alcohols. Okay, let's try and put N is equal to 1. N क्या है? N is the number of carbon atoms. कि उस molecule में कितने carbon atoms हैं. So let's assume that there is only one carbon atom. So the entire formula becomes C1, I'm not writing, C4, and O. So this is what you get after you keep N is equal to 1 in the formula. It still does not look like an alcohol. Okay, so how will I make it converted into an alcohol and find the name also? Is हमें alcohol चाहिए, हम alcohol तो लिख ही देते हैं, उसका functional group तो लिख ही देते हैं, लिख दिया. अब इसमें से क्या क्या बचा? C बचा, H3 बचे और O तो यूज अप हो चुका है. So now does it look like alcohol? Yeah, now it looks like alcohol because this is the functional group of alcohols. So this is how you convert. The name very simply will be methanol, meth by 1 carbon atom. We'll take one more example where let's put N is equal to 3. So what do we get? From here we get C3 and from here we get H8 and we get one oxygen. There is only one oxygen in alcohols. Now again we doesn't look like alcohol, so what we'll do, alcohol को अलग रख दो क्योंकि हमें alcohol बनाना है, जो बाकी बचा है वो साथ में रख दो. C3H7, एक हाइड्रोजन चला गया तो there are 7 hydrogens left and there are 3. Now what is this? You can see it is an alcohol. This is propanol. Propanol, I'm very sorry. It is propanol. Why? Because 3 carbon atoms and alcoholic group. Same thing happens with, not same thing, similar thing happens with carboxylic groups. Sorry if I write from here, my handwriting is pretty bad when I write from this side. Okay, so here the formula is CnH2n and O2. O2 means, देखो COOH था ना, COO, that means 2 O थे. So that's why you have 2 oxygen atoms in carboxylic groups. Okay, let's again find some formulas based on this. We keep N is equal to 1. मतलब we need only 1 carbon atom. हम एक ही कार्बन आटम का देखते हैं कि एसिड बन पाएगा कि नहीं बन पाएगा. Okay, when we keep it, it becomes CH2O2. Now again कहीं से भी ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड नहीं लग रहा है. If I want to convert, what is कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड की पहचान? COOH. वो उसकी पहचान है ना, तो हम N में COOH लिख ही देते हैं. If I want to convert it into carboxylic group, COOH लिख दिया क्योंकि हमें एसिड चाहिए. अब क्या क्या बचा? कार्बन खत्म हो गया, यूज अप हो गया. हाइड्रोजन एक बचा है और ऑक्सीजन भी यूज अप हो गया, तो सिर्फ एक यहाँ पे H बचा था और COOH. Now this looks like an acid because you have the functional group here. And the name obviously will be methanoic. एक carbon है, methanoic acid. Similarly, you can do for any number of carbon atoms. And this is how you will get the formula where it shows that it is an acid. Like, okay, we'll take one more example. I will take N is equal to 2. 2 कार्बन है टोटल, मॉलिक्यूल में 2 कार्बन आटम है. So it will become C2H4O2. Now we want what? We want carboxylic group. तो हम N में वो तो लिख ही देंगे. अब यहाँ क्या क्या बचा? 2 में से एक यहाँ चला गया. So left with 1 carbon. There were 4 hydrogens. We've used up 1. तो 3 बच गए और ऑक्सीजन्स तो सारे यूज अप हो ही गए थे. सो यू गेट, व्हाट यू गेट इज CH3, COOH. कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप है क्योंकि कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, हाँ है, क्योंकि इसमें कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप है, ये रहा COOH, और ये एल्काइल ग्रुप है. So this is definitely an acid, and name 2 carbon atoms, ethanoic acid. So I hope the differences between basic differences between alcohols and carboxylic acids are clear. Thank you.